And we're back again with another update on WLFI coin. Shout out to you guys. You guys are amazing. Pretty much day in, day out, you guys show amazing amount of support on these updates. Continue supporting, and you guys know I got you covered on these updates. But anyhow, if we're looking across the board, market is looking amazing. We got a lot to talk about. But as far as WLFI coin is concerned, it is still one of the coins that is down a little bit, about 0.6% to be exact, over the course of the last 24 hours. So if we're looking at the price, 20 cents down about 1.6% in Bitcoin and about 2.6% in Ethereum. Comparing, meaning, Bitcoin and Ethereum are actually outpacing WLFI coin. That's pretty much what this shows. Valuation of 5.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume sitting closely to where we were yesterday at about a half a billion. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So take a look at this. The proposal to use 100% of protocol-owned liquidity POL fees for WLFI buyback and permanently burning it is now live and open for voting. So pretty much who can vote on this? People that hold this token. And you can see, there are 99.6% votes currently supporting this measure. And why wouldn't it, right? Like, anyone that's going to say, no to this, I really want to have a conversation with you. Like, why would we not want to see, these buybacks happening and these coins that were bought back completely being burned? But again, if you do hold and you want to take part of this, of course, make sure you do that. But I think this is going to go end up being passed in terms of what's going to happen with the burns. But anyhow, if you're looking at the overall Bitcoin dominance, dominance is pulling down sharply. And again, we haven't seen these levels again since the beginning of September. So dominance is doing exactly what you want to see. But what I want you guys to focus on is over the course of the last 24 hours, dominance fell quite sharply while Bitcoin pushed towards the upside. You guys know I give you guys updates every single day, and I've been talking to you guys about $115,000. Pretty much time in, time out, 115,000 has constantly been brought up on my channel, which is a confirmation for myself. And you can see, we actually broke above the 115. We actually went up to 116,300, but now we are being supported by the 115k key range, which again is amazing to see. But the fact that we're sitting above that level is something we don't want to ignore. So as far as Bitcoin is concerned, it's looking amazing right now. But let's take a look at what's happening with World Liberty Financial Coin. So you can see this for yourself. We're still having the battle. We spoke about that yesterday in my last update, and we're really starting to see the importance of that. You can see this for yourself. The price has seen. So what I want you guys to focus on is focus on the last 48 hours to 72 hours. You can see, we actually have seen multiple different wicks towards the downside. Multiple. There's not one, not two, multiple. And we actually saw this swing. And I talked to you guys about this, of course, in sorry, not this. I was talking to you guys about this one, so my apologies on that. But we saw the price going down to 18.8 cents. But I still spoke to you guys about how we still did not see the double bottom occurring, even though Eric Trump has stepped down as a director. But that was due to them complying with NASDAQ listing requirements. But we did see the price come down to this 18.5 cents mark. But we saw a jump of 8%. I don't want you guys to overlook this right here. The price went up 8%. And what caused this? Probably, I personally think either it was some longs that got liquidated, or we did see a whale market selling, which caused the price to go down. But we got to focus on the recovery. And not only the recovery is what I want you guys to focus on, I want you guys to focus on where the price is currently sitting. This will help you understand a lot. And for your own sake, if you want to learn technical analysis, we need to look for these key levels. And as of now, time in, time out, look at how many different wicks we have seen above this key range. And that is telling us, pretty much how important this key level is. But we want to see this close. We want to see this close. Been talking to you guys about the significance of that close. Closing above this key range, I think opens the door for us to, get back up to 22.2 cents, and of course retest where we were back on, September the 6th. I know some people don't like this. Some people don't like, having the price consolidate, or, having your patience, kind of tested. But again, it's part of the game, guys. I've said this 1,000 times. This coin is new. Give it a break. It's only been in the markets for 12 days. And you all want to see the price find a ground for itself, and it's actually doing that. I want you guys to know the price is trying to accumulate, trying to kind of solidify its strength before making its way towards the upside. But so far so good. Again, we got to work with the data we have. Forget about the higher time frames, the higher prices. Right now, we need to focus on this that is in front of us. Very, very important. Thank you for all your support, guys. I will see you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.